Hello, in this video I will mention some points which could be used as a checklist for abrasive wheel grinders. Hi, and welcome to this learning video. In this video and other videos in my YouTube channel, you will find a variety of information regarding health, safety, and environment in the workplace. Summary of OSHA publications, checklists, toolbox tools, forms and much more. Enjoy learning. Abrasive wheel grinders checklist. This checklist applies to general industry and construction workplaces. Are floor and bench mounted grinders equipped with a work rest that is adjusted to within 1/8 inch of the wheel? Is the adjustable tongue guard on the top side of the grinder used and kept adjusted to within 1/4 inch of the wheel? Is the grinder equipped with flanges? Do side guards cover the spindle, nut, flange projections, and 75% of the wheel diameter? Does the angular exposure of the grinding wheel, periphery, and sides for safety guards on your grinders meet the following? Bench and floor stand grinders, not to exceed 90 degrees or 1/4 of the periphery. Cylindrical grinders, not to exceed 180 degrees. Surface grinders and cut-off machines not to exceed 150 degrees. Swing frame grinders, not to exceed 180 degrees, with the top half of the wheel enclosed. Automatic snagging machines, not to exceed 180 degrees. Top grinding grinders, not to exceed 60 degrees, when work is applied to the wheel above the horizontal center line. Are right angle grinders equipped with guards when they are not being used for internal grinding where the material being worked on provides adequate protection? Are bench and pedestal grinders permanently secured if they are not going to be moved? Do employees wear ANSI approved goggles or face shields when grinding? Is the maximum RPM rating of each abrasive wheel compatible with the RPM rating of the grinder motor? Does each grinder have an individual on-off switch? Is each electrically operated grinder effectively grounded? Before new abrasive wheels are mounted, are they visually inspected and ring tested? Are dust collectors and powered exhausts provided on grinders used in operations that produce large amounts of dust? To prevent coolant from splashing workers, are splash guards mounted on grinders that use coolant? Is cleanliness maintained around grinders? Feel free to share this video on Facebook, Twitter, Google Groups, and WhatsApp. You can also share it with your professional network on LinkedIn. If you like this video, hit the like icon. To support us, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for updates. Thanks for watching.